Hey, it's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching. We are here at the AIoT World event, which is part of the ITEXPO Tech Super Show 2026. It's February in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and Robert Holley is with us. He's with Aeris. Robert, welcome to the show. How are you?
Great. Thanks for having me, Rich.
Yeah, we're thrilled to have you. So I've known Aeris for years and years and years as a big player in cellular, wireless, IoT. Tell us more about the company.
Yeah, so you're spot on. Cellular, wireless connectivity, as well as security. So about 3 years ago, we purchased the Ericsson IoT division. And with that, we incorporated now, we have over 100 million SIMs deployed in over 203 countries, over 8,000 customers. So if you think about it, not just connectivity, but also the security layer. So looking at the data plane, security at the device level. So it's kind of really changing the game, especially the way that AI is being ingested into IoT devices now. It's a complete game changer.
And that's a substantial customer base, right?
It is. We're actually only second behind globally behind Cisco with 100 million devices. We just surpassed that at the beginning of this year. So just had a big press announcement about 2 weeks ago.
Well, congratulations. So that's very, very exciting. So in terms of how the market's changing with AI, you'd mentioned it. Tell us more. Like how should companies look at the emergence of AI in the IoT space, managing sensors and different devices, et cetera?
I think it's more about not just managing or orchestrating devices, it's definitely looking around what's going on in your device today. So a lot of corporations, a lot of enterprises, they're concerned about what's going on in their laptops, they're concerned about what's going on in their cell phones, but they don't really look at unmanned devices. They don't pay attention to that water meter that's sitting out there or that SIM card that's sitting in a vehicle. So those are big attack vectors. And as AI emerges and as more easier ways to hack a device come out to play, you've got to make sure that you're protected at that network layer. So that's really how we're kind of changing our modality, is moving to the network layer and actually protecting it at the device level rather than just protecting the network itself.
And what is typically the type of company or the title that should be that is your typical customers that should be thinking of reaching out to you, where so you can help them?
So we speak mostly to operations orchestration, but as we move into security, it's definitely that CISO, that CIO, anybody who is responsible for security or operations of a device at that enterprise level is someone who should be looking at Aeris.
Fantastic. How can people learn more?
Aeris.com is a great way, on LinkedIn as well, and any of our channel partners that we're deployed with on a global scale, whether that's our telco partners or our growing new routes to market channel partners, either TSDs or MSPs, VARs, et cetera.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having us.